thought I will make a short workout video. I have no idea how girls like blogging artists make their videos look so nice.
Okay, 5 more seconds. So close. One more here.
So this is a workout and we're working on 3 things, which is core stiffness, core flexibility and booty power. So I will show you the beginning. The beginning is very easy. It's more of a James Brown move.
And I'll go right straight through the dances to give you a variation. It'll blow your mind.
Stand here and then bring your hip joints backwards a bit. So keep your back straight, the back extended a little bit, and flex the hips. I was thinking about the hips. Flex the hips a little bit. So this is a hip flexion. Then stay flexed in your hips and wiggle your knees a little bit, just to warm up the hip joints.
I used to do a little tap dancing too.
Warm up the hip joints. So if you're standing straight, there will be no wiggling. So you have to bring back your sit bones a little bit. Sit bones. Wiggle a little bit for warm up. Wiggle. Okay, that's it. Alright, so the first move we're going to do, or you're going to do, is stand, legs spread apart, and then squat down. Like your back is straight. Your back is straight. You squat down and you come up and use your booty, your buttocks, squeeze your buttocks to come up. This should not be a leg exercise. This is a buttocks exercise. So come up, 3, go down straight. Don't flex, be straight with the back, 4 and 5. So that's number 1. Second thing we're going to do. You come down until you touch the floor. You walk a bit forward, until you're on 4 points. I call this 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're on 4 points and then you come back again. You walk out a little bit until you're on 4 points. You're standing on 4 points. You come back again. To not make this style, go to the left side a little bit. Left side and come back to center. Come forward in the center and go back down. Go to the right and come back. In the center and on the left, and the center, on the right, and squat up again. Use your buttocks to squat. Okay, that's the warm-up. We're getting going now. So come down, the next part of the exercise, you squat down and then you walk out. You walk out into plank position, right? In a plank position. And then you're going to do 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep your core stable. Then walk back. You come up in the squat position and straight up again. Now we are working a little bit on flexibility of the chest. So put your arms straight out, and rotate your arms to the left. Like a long stick. One arm and the other arm is like a long stick. Keep your nose forward and come back. Rotate your arms to the left, but keep your head and eyes forward. Keep your nose forward. Rotate the shoulders to the right. Keep your head forward. 4 and 5. Okay, next time. Rotate the shoulders and the head to the left. 2. Head and shoulders go together. 3, 4, 5. Third variation. You go to the left, keep your head to the left, and just bring back the shoulders to the middle. 1, 2, head keeps to the left, shoulders come back to the middle. 3, 4, and 5. Relax a little bit. Now we're using the other side. Put your arms straight out. And rotate your arms to the right, keep the head forward and come back. Hip is stable, don't swing. 3, don't swing, just go slowly and control. You're looking for control. And keep the nose really forward, then move head and shoulders together. 1, so we rotate the whole upper body. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then keep the head to the right and just bring the shoulders back. Keep the head to the right, just bring the shoulders back. Head stays to the right, eyes stay to the right. 4, and 5. Alright, then come back down again to squat position, 1. And use your buttocks to come up. Don't use your legs, 3, 4, 5. Now walk out again. Go forward, forward, forward in the plank position. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk down, walk up again. Walk up, squat straight up. Alright, now it's about rotation and flexibility again. So squat down, walk out to 4 points, and put your left knee on the floor somewhere. Put your left knee down and up again. Left knee down and up again. And then reach for different spots with your left knee. More to the right, more to the left, more in front. You're on 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your left knee goes down until you put your left knee between your right hand and your right foot. Left knee between the right hand and right foot until you can come into side sitting. Until you come into side sitting. Until you come into side sitting and turn your head to the right. 3, 4, 5. Turn the head to the right until you're sitting facing the other direction. Come back on 4 points. Do the same thing with the right knee. Put the right knee to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Until you can put your booty down on the floor. Turn the head to the left. Come up again. Come to sit on the floor with the head to the left. Come up again. Turn to sit to the left. Come up again. 4, 5. Into a squat position. Up again. From here we work on the core stiffness again. So this is stiff, this is stiff. Go into the push-up position. Walk out, walk forwards, walk out until in the plank position and then 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep good form. Walk backwards and up. Then come back to the squat position and come all forwards. Knees and hands. Put your right leg behind the left leg. Like this. I show you from the side. Put the right leg behind the left leg. The right leg to the side. Right leg to the side. Right leg to the side. Do the same with the left leg. Left leg to the side. Left leg to the side. 4, 5. Now the right leg again. Right leg to the side. Then turn over to come onto all fours and lift your pelvis with the help of the buttocks. Squeeze the buttocks, come up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back down on all fours. Put your left leg next to your right leg. Turn over until you are on all fours. Supine, bring up your pelvis. 2, 3, 4, 5. And back again on all fours and up. Right, once you're up, go down again and squat up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come on all fours. Put the left knee down to the floor. Turn to sit. Turn back. Turn to sit to the right. Come back. Turn to sit to the left. Come back. Turn to sit to the right. Come back. Turn to sit to the left. Come back. Turn to sit to the right. Come back. Turn to sit to the left. Alright, turn to sit to the right. On all fours. Come up. Then come back down. Squat down. Walk out to the plank position. Walk out to the plank position. 5 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Walk back. Come up to standing. Come down. 4 points. Keep your head straight forward this time. Your nose straight forward. Sit to the left. Sit to the right. Keep your nose forward. Sit to the left. Sit to the right. Sit to the left. Sit to the right. Sit to the left. Sit to the right. Sit to the left and come back. Up again. And that's it.